Okay, so as you can see here, today we're going to be going over when to buy a dip in a stock. First thing I want to say is disclaimer, trade at your own risk, written in red. But let's answer the question, when to buy a dip in a stock. Do you guys know the answer? Well, it's only written in blue. When there's no bad news. When there's no bad news in a stock dips, buy it. It's bound to come back to its original price, where it started. Now, for example, we're going to go over ASNS results from Friday. Now, if you look at its results, you'll see that at 9:30 it extended all the way to $3.69, right? And then made a dramatic dip at $3.37, right here. This is where we want to enter. Remember, this stock had no bad news at all, and it dipped, so it's bound to go back up. With that being said, you want to purchase somewhere in here. Bought a dip here. Later that afternoon, it went up to $3.60. You want to sell here. Sell. Buy. So we were here at 9:30. We dipped. Then we went back up, $3.60. As you can see, it dipped again to $3.48. Personally, I wait until it dropped 15 cents. But as you can see, you buy here, the dip. Remember, when there's no bad news, and it goes back up to $3.64. And you sell there. Then it makes another dramatic drop to $3.32. Now this is where you want to buy. Obviously, it goes down 30 cents. That's more than 15 cents. That's more than enough leverage to go in and wait for it to come back up around 2 p.m. So it goes down to $3.32, and what happens? It goes back up to $3.54. That's where you sell. So you get all these dips. When to buy the dip? When there's no bad news. From $3.54, it comes back down to $3.31. This is where you buy. And then at 3:45, it ended at $3.45. So that's around the end of the day. You got 4 p.m. here. So that's where it ended at $3.45. But it also dipped again to $3.31. So we have our dips. We got one dip, goes back up, two dips, goes back up, a third dip, it goes back up, a fourth dip, and it goes back up. And there's no bad news. And that stock was ASNS. Trade at your own risk. I hope this helped you, and when to buy a dip in the stock when there's no bad news. If you haven't already, follow my Instagram to see trades I make every day.